How to install LeadPro SaaS, that's Lead and Call Center Management CRM SaaS. So for this testing purposes, I will be using code list. Please don't forget, code list is only meant for testing purposes. Use link in the description to hire me to get the script yourself. Code list.cc. So next I click on the search button to search for the script I'm looking for. So I'm looking for, let me go there again, select the name, okay, then paste it here, enter. So here is the one I'm looking for. I click on it. Then next I scroll down to select any of the link. So I will select this. Where is it? I will select this. Download the script. Control copy, then paste it there. But don't forget, code list is only meant for testing purposes. So next I click on download, but I have already downloaded the script, so I can just close it. So let me go to my computer. Yes, here is the downloaded script. Then I extracted it. This is the extracted file. I open it. I open this. Here is the file I'm going to send to my cPanel, but my cPanel only accepts a zip file. That's why I zip it. This is the zip file. So this is what I'm going to send to my cPanel. So let me go straight to my cPanel. Here is my cPanel. So my file manager. Then I go to the subdomain I'm using. The subdomain I'm using is this. Oh, I have already uploaded the script. Here is the script, and I have extracted it. So these are the extracted files. So next, let me just go straight to my database and create my database. So next, let me create the name of my database. Let me name my database as this. Then I click on create database. Go back. The database has been created successfully. So next, I create a user for it. Let me name it as this. Then I give you the password. Create user. So the user has been created. I have created the database. I have created the user. Next, I'm going to add the user to the database, and I will make sure I select the one I just created. Tester user. Then I give up privileges. Then I move down to make changes. So the database has been created, and I have uploaded my file into my cPanel. So let me go to my subdomain now. Oh, sorry. I'm going to use /public. Okay. Next step. Host name. Usually localhost. Username. Usually root. Password. Database. My SQL. Next step. Next step. Okay, he's asking for this. Okay, let me go to my cPanel. Let me go to my cPanel. Okay, then next my PHP my admin. Let me go back to my this thing. So my username is this. Let me use the one I just created. So let me use as my database name. Then next step. Okay, that's what it's asking for. Next step. So it says please fix the below error and the click check permission again. So storage app, storage framework, storage blocks, I should give them 775. That's what it meant. So let me look at it again. Storage app, framework, blocks, storage app, framework, blocks. I should give you 775. 775, then save. Framework 775, then save. Logs 775, then save. Next, let me go. Okay, boost your application. Boost your app. I should give this one to 775. I save. So now let me check permission again. So done. Next step. Okay, let me screenshot here, or I save this. superadmin@example.com 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, or let me do like this in case I should not forget. So click here to exit. So I have successfully installed the script, so I can now log in. Let me log in. Okay, don't forget using this just for testing purpose, so I just write this. So verify purchase. So as I said, as you all know, this just for testing purpose. I didn't get the script, so let me just go back. So this is the home page. Features. Okay, pricing, okay, let's go here. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. And also use link in the description to help me install the scripts.